Okay, good day. This will be the continuation sa last video natin yung ginawa natin is pag-install ng Windows 10 in a virtual machine, no? Ngayon naman is pag-install naman or paglalagay ng Windows Server sa virtual machines. Okay, i-just review ko lang kahapon kung ano ginawa natin is gawa tayo ng machine, no, sa inside of the virtual box, no. Paano gawin yun? You can use keyboard control N, okay, and the name or the computer name, pinakasabi natin is computer server 212, no, and then this Windows, the type, the version will be 2012 since we are using 2012, no. Then next, then the virtual memory, if you want to drag and play, but I would just stick to the by default the 2 gigabyte. Okay, by the equivalent of 1 gigabyte is 1204 megabyte. Okay, total of this one is 2 gigabyte of virtual RAM, no. Next, then creating again a virtual of hard drive, and then we need to allocate the file or yung storage ng hard drive natin. By default you can use 50, but in my case I would use 56, so just 60 lang yata. Yun. Then create, and then that's it, no. Kung mapapansin ninyo is ito sa server pangalan, then type of OS nilalagay, then the memory, and so on so forth, no. Now just start installing. Start lang natin, and then wait for a few moments, then choose dito sa baba. Once you press this part, okay, ito, and then lalabas si optical disc selector. Then since wala dito sa options si Windows Server, then add tayo, no. Then you will find kung saan nakalocate yung installer na 2012, no. Then since in my case ito yung aking gagamitin, okay, then open lang, just click, then open, then choose, and start. Okay, actually guys, once na alam mo na paano mag-install ng 7, server 10, actually they are the same lang lahat. Nagpapare-pareho na lang yung proseso from proseso sa pag-install ng server, no, ng 10, 8 and 9 is XP 7. XP may meron pa pagkaiba lang. 7 Vista Vista 7 and 8.1, tapos 10 and 2012 and so 2008, identical lang sila lahat. Okay, walang pinagkaiba almost. Maybe yung pinagkaiba nila is yung kulay, no, yung kulay lang. Okay, setup starting, wait lang tayo. Okay, yan. Dito naman we have the fourth part, no, but ito yung I have the 4 set of choices, no. We have standard, then standard Windows Server to sa R2, standard, server core installation, server with GUI, and core installation data center. But we will not use sa baba, no. Gagamitin natin yung standard lang, no. Okay, just discuss these two muna, no. Yun ang pinagkaiba kasi kapag pinili mo yung sa taas or pinili mo yung sa gitna, ano ba yung pinagkakaiba nila. Okay, kung sinabi natin core installation, yung mangyayari dyan, yung lalabas sa Windows Server mo is mostly naka CLI ka lang or naka DOS o parang ganito. Ito yung lalabas lang sa'yo. Sandali, lalabas tayo. Ito lang lalabas sa'yo. Parang ganyan yung makikita mo kapag after you install the Windows Server core installation, which means more or less wala kayong makikitang GUI. Okay, parang ganito lang na setup yung yung ganito sa command line. Yan, lahat ng gagawin mo from creating folder, add folder, ito yung mangyayari kapag ito yung pinili mo. Si core, si server with GUI naman, obviously ito, you can freely you can use your mouse, not unlike sa core. Ito yung gagawin mo, tatay pa sa keyboard, more or less parang ganyan. Das yun yung gagawin mo, yun, cd yung key directory, ayan yung usually gagawin mo, not unlike sa GUI, more or less more in typing. But in our case, in the demonstration, we will use the GUI part, no? Okay, next. By the way, in terms of installation, mas mabilis matapos si core kasi hindi nagre-require ng graphics, more or less text. Okay, next tayo. Then I accept. If you notice to our previous video, almost same lang sila, no? Custom tayo. Okay, since we discussed this part, kung paano partition, but on my case now, hindi na ako magpa-partition. I will go muna sa next part. Okay. By the way, tips also, no? So kung gusto kong mag-partition, since nakalimutan ko partition, pwede mo mag-partition sa loob mismo ng computer. Actually, yes, pwede naman. Wala namang problema doon. You can do partition once or already done installing server or operating system. Pwede kang gumawa. Kaya mong hatiin. Ayun. Pero yung problema lang, once na ginawa mo yun, is siya lang risky kasi you need at least power backup, no? Kasi once na mayroong power interruption, maybe it will can cause your hard drive baka ma-damage, no? But later on, I will discuss that also naman, paano gawin yung pa-partition. Okay, for the meantime, I'll just fast forward or pause this part muna at least. Okay, balik tayo na. Okay, actually, natapos na. Hindi ko napansin, natapos na pala. Just wait na lang tayo sa final niya na yung final stage pala. Yung reboot. Okay. Rebooting part. Yan kasi guys yung downside kapag nag-virtual box ka din, no? Kasi malakas din kumain ito ng processor performance. Kain talaga siya. Okay, yung kinakain niya. So kinalamandan. Yeah, click and then usually lumalabas. By the way, yung anong ginagawa mo sa yung ginawa kanina sa 10, 2012, same din sa XP at 7. Pero sa ibang version ng mga system, meron silang pagkakaiba. But nonetheless, parang pareho. Actually, kapag nahawakan mo na hindi ka na mahihirapan. As long at least meron ka ng idea sa kahit isa lang, no? Once meron kang idea sa isa kung paano gawin yun, the rest will be so easy. Like always said, no sweat. Okay, after this one naman is piping naman na in-network naman natin, no? O you hit it right. Paano i-network yung dalawang unit in a virtual box, no? Later I will discuss that one. Okay, i-load natin yung dalawa. Okay, same time yung host mo rin actually tawag dito, kaya din actually kaya niyang i-network. Okay, that's the good thing kasi kung magpa-practice ka sa IP address, subnetting, hindi ka na mahirapan. Ayan, that's the good thing kasi you can do it, hindi ka na kailangang tumayo. Ito yung problema kapag hindi naka-install yung dito, yung CD guest, di sa CD image, kasi meron talaga ganito, scroll tab. Ito yung talaga kailangan natin unang gawin kasi kapag ganito, ganyan mo yan, at least responsive masyado. Okay, the first part is By the way, server to gagawa tayo ng the password inbuilt in administrator account that you can use is to assign into this computer. Ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo ng password sample, gagawa tayo ng 123. 123, tingnan natin. 123, no? Since username is administrator, the password is 123. Then finish. Oops. Okay, may error na lumabas, no? By the way, the password you type does not meet the password complexity requires set by administrator for your network or group. Get the requirements from your administrator and then type a new password. Kasi in terms of server kasi, not unlike in client side, yung 7 at XP at Windows 8, Windows 10, pwede mo lang gawin yung alpha lang. Okay? Yung unlike dito server is kailangan yung complexity. Yung sa complexity, you need to add a letter, number, or any special character, then symbols. That is the thing na dapat mong matutunan. Okay? You can use naman yung small ABC underscore 25 to 10 at pwede ganon. Yung madali mo lang maintindihan ang mga password. O yung siya nang mahirap. Sample, in my case, I will type YouTube, no? Na po underscore 123. Ito yung po underscore 123. Then po underscore 123 din, no? Then actually mahalaga din no guys, it's very important to know this part because maybe sooner or later may encounter nyo ganitong klaseng problema. Finish. Yan. Actually meron pa nga dong parang napapasin kong kulang eh. Kasi meron kasi ibang password na they are requiring 8 na karakter, no? Ibig sabihin at least 8 na dapat mo ilagay since na po is 1, 2, 3, parang 6 lang yata, no? Yun yung part na meron pa siyang kulang. Kasi to tighten the security of your account, that is the one reason. Yun yung mga okay. Just to tighten your account, no? Sa web part naman yun. Bali ito na part naman is since meron tayong binigyan tayo ng magandang link ni YouTube, bali ito yung account na okay. Ito naman, yung bagang kaiba naman nito is paano mo maka-control alt delete kasi kapag maka-control alt delete ka, ito yung lalabas, no? Yung gagawin mo dyan is just punta mo tayo sa withdraw muna tayo para matis marang kayong WinDR o X key, on screen keyboard, no? Yung gagawin mo dito para just to address the control delete, control del dito, no? Control del, ayun, yun yung technique dyan, no? Yung use naman na yung keyboard, pinakita ko lang dito. Control sandali, back natin, no? Control del, no? Tingnan nyo, control del, nabis na sumasado eh. Control del, yun yung parte na dyan, no? Since type na yung password natin po, okay po, 1, 2, 3, check natin, tingnan natin, yun, no? By the way, the username is administrator, the password yung ginawa natin kanina. Then para tayong mga changes mo natin gawin dito. Ito yes, okay. Then actually internet na din to, yung ginawa natin last time. Device, insert guest. At least pag ganun, no, yung talaga yung nahirapan tayo dyan. Click natin to, punta tayo sa C, no? Sa this PC, no? Tingnan nyo ni now, hindi tayo nag-partition. Ito yung nangyayari. Sa Windows 10, nag-partition tayo, meron siyang C at D. Since naman ngayon is only C, kasi wala tayong ginawang partitioning. Okay? Open natin, hanapin natin 64-bit, since ito yung ginamit natin architecture ng computer. Then, by the way, next lang naman. Ang gagawin dito, then next install, and then reboot boot natin. Actually guys, I want at least 15 to 20 minutes lang yung video natin kasi sobrang haba minsan, mahirap na manood eh, nakakantok din minsan. At least 15 to 20 minutes okay lang kung Korean, kung K-pop yung pinapanood. Mga ganun, bakit napasok yung K-pop. Ayun, wait lang tayo, bakit hindi pa gumagana natin to, bakit wala pa. Pasukin muna natin, Control Alt Delete, no? Then po 1 oops po 1 2 3, then wait lang natin, no? Bakit wala pa. It takes a few minutes of time yata, no? Then ay, wag muna. Ayun, so yung parang nag-scratch, no? Yan, ito yung nagunting, no? Ilagay natin sa ilagay natin sa side to side, no? Sadali, side to side. Yan, tapos open natin yung Windows 10, no? Para mas at least ano ba pinaka main purpose bakit ginagawa natin yan, no? Okay, tignan natin yan. Actually yung magte-take effect kapag hindi pa pumapasok sa Windows. Okay, yan, para nag-stretch pa. Yung kasi yung ginagawa ko para mas mabilis pa config, is madali lang pag cross border. Ito na, pasok na tayo, then ganun natin yun, yun yung dahilan eh, siya yung dahilan, ayan, taka dito ganun lang. Yan yung pinaka main purpose kung gusto mo mag-configure dito, dito, ganyan, no? Ayun yung pinaka main reason. Okay, that's it for this video. Next part naman yung pag-usapan natin is about IP addressing, yung basic lang muna, at sharing folder, sharing printer, at yung pag-share, yung pag-network ng virtual box. Okay, that's it, and don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification button at this time to time ma-notify kayo. And thank you and God bless.